In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename dimension column and row headers in Tableau in just 5 minutes. If you've ever wondered how to customize your Tableau worksheet with specific labels or make your data visualization clearer for your audience, this guide will walk you through the process, step by step. First, let's get started by launching the Tableau app. Once you have that open, navigate to the workbook where you want to make these changes. If you haven't accessed your worksheet yet, go ahead and do so now. Having your worksheet front and center will make the process easier to follow. Now let's move to the part where you want to modify the dimension headers. Begin by dragging a dimension, let's say the customer name, into either the rows or column shelf. This will help you see how the changes you make will affect your visualizations directly. If you're using another dimension, that's perfectly fine too. The method will still apply. Now head back to the dimension section within Tableau. We are setting the groundwork for the renaming process. Right-click on the customer name dimension. This is where Tableau's interface becomes your best friend, letting you manipulate the data to suit your visualization goals. Select Duplicate from the context menu that appears. Duplication is important because it allows you to keep the original data intact while giving you freedom to experiment. You'll now see a duplicate of the customer name dimension appear. Next, right-click on the duplicated customer name. Here, you will find the option to Rename. Select Rename and a text field will pop up prompting you to type the new name you want for the dimension. Perhaps you're looking for clarity in your data presentation or custom labeling that aligns more closely with your business objectives. Whatever the reason, type the name that best fits your needs. Once you've renamed it, drag that modified dimension and place it back in the rows or column shelf. You'll notice the headers will now reflect this updated name, bringing a fresh and tailored look to your data visualization. This step is crucial because it directly replaces the previous generic label with your custom one, enhancing readability and professionalism. Finally, to wrap it all up, remove the original customer name from the shelf. Just click and drag it away or press delete, ensuring that your renamed dimension is the only one visible. This keeps your visualization neat and cohesive, ready to be shared with your team or audience. And that's it. You've successfully renamed dimension column and row headers in Tableau, making your data presentation not only insightful but also visually appealing. Whether you're customizing for a presentation or simply organizing your data more efficiently, you now have the skills to personalize your Tableau experience. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.